Good day everyone, this is CE Solves and this is our sixth problem sa chapter 2, road vehicle performance. So, isa-isahin natin, given. So, a 3,200 pound car, so weight is equal to 3,200 pounds. CD natin, drag coefficient is equal to 0.35. AF natin is equal to 25 feet squared. Density natin is 0.002378 slugs per feet cube. So, pero sulatin na natin siya as kilogram per meter cube. So, that would be equal to 1.22558 kilogram per meter cube. Drive has a 14-inch radius wheel, so R is equal to 14 inches. Drivetrain efficiency of 0.93. Overall gear reduction ratio of 3.2 to 1. So, EO is equal to 3.2 over 1, which is just 3.2. Drive axle slippage of I is equal to 0.035, 0.035. The engine develops a maximum torque of 210 feet-pounds. Tapos, rev per minute, that is our engine speed, which is 3,600 revolutions per minute. What is the maximum grade this vehicle could ascend on a paved surface? So, ang required natin is our grade or represented siya by G. While the engine is developing maximum torque, assume that the available tractive effort is the engine-generated tractive effort. So, Fe natin would be equal to, so by that sentence, Fe natin would be equal to ME, AO, and D all over R. So, from that, identify ulit natin yung equations na kailangan natin, kagaya ng ginagawa natin before. Kasi ang dami-dami na ng given. So, para ma-identify natin kung ano gagawin natin. Kasi medyo mahirap siya isipin. So, yan. Meron tayong drag coefficient, meron tayong frontal area. So, ibig sabihin, meron tayong aerodynamic resistance. So, density over 2 CD AF V squared. Meron din tayong rolling resistance. Palagi na yung magkasama. 0.0, ay sorry, coefficient of rolling resistance times W. So, meron tayong ND. So, ito na yan. Or, tractive effort. Sunod, EO, I. Oh, may I tayo. So, ibig sabihin kasala dyan ang formula ng velocity. So, 2 pi r NE 1 minus I all over EO. Then, is, mag-compute na tayo. Since meron tayong G dito na hinahanap, kasali na ang grade resistance, which the formula is just WG. So, yan lang naman siya. Hanapin na natin itong lahat ng resistance muna. So, RA, aerodynamic. So, RA is equal to density over 2 CDAF V squared. So, density, okay, mag-compute muna tayo ng natin, values to metric system. So, 3,200 pounds, that would be equal to 14,233.6 newtons. Next is our CD, okay na siya, 25 feet squared. 25 times 0.3048. 25 times 0.3048 squared. That is 2.32258 meters squared. Okay na to, converted na. Inches, 14 inches to meters. 0.3556 meters. Okay, okay na to, okay na to, okay na to. 210 feet-pounds. So, times natin siya sa 210, 1 feet is equal to 0.3048. Naka-pound siya, so times 4.448. So, ME natin is 284.70758 Newton per meter. NE natin, naka-rev per minute, which should be rev per second. So, T600 divided by 60. So, 60 revolutions per second. So far, correct naman tayo. So, proceed na ulit tayo dito sa sinasolve natin. So, density over 2. Density natin is 1.22558 all over 2. CD natin is 0.35. AF natin, ayan, 2.322, 2.32258 times V natin. Okay, wala pa tayo palang V. So, hanapin na muna natin yung V natin. V is equal to 2 pi. R natin is 0.3556. Tapos, NE natin, 2 pi R NE. NE natin is 60 rev per second. 1 minus axial slippage, which is RI, 0.035 all over EO, which is 3.2. So, compute natin siya. 2 pi times 0.3556 times 60, 1 minus 0.035, 3.2. So, our V would be equal to 40.42688 meters per second. So, yan na yung V natin. Substitute natin siya dito. So, 40.42688 squared. So, simplify natin to, ang RA natin. So, that would be equal to 1.2258 all over 2 times 0.35 times 2.32258. So, RA natin would be equal to 814.12446.7. So, next natin is holding resistance, which is FRL equal yan sa 0.01 times 1 plus V all over 44.73 times our weight, which is 14,233.6. So, substitute na lang natin dito yung velocity. So, our RRL is equal to 271.06532. So, yan yung RRL natin. Next is our grade resistance, which is just equal to the weight times the grade. So, weight natin is 14,233.6 times G. So, yan na yung grade resistance natin since unknown pa naman yung G and yan din yung hinahanap sa problem. So, next natin is, okay, nahanap na natin V resistances, FE na lang. So, FE would be equal to ME, which is our torque, 284.70758. MEEO, that is our 3.2, and D, 0.93, MEEO and D all over R, that is 0.3556. So that is our FE. Simplify natin, that is equal to 82.70461 newtons. So, nahanap na natin FE natin. So, following the formula na yung sinasabi ko, FE is equal to RA plus RRL plus RG. So, this time, meron na tayong RG. So, FE is equal to 2382.70461 is equal to RA. is equal to 814.12447 plus RRL 271.06532 plus RG natin is 14,233.6G. So, substitute natin, RG would be equal to 0.0912. So, convert natin yan into percentage, that is equal to 9.12%. So, yan na yung final answer natin na G, which is yan yung hinahanap sa, ano natin, sa problem.